If poultry farming is your top priority for this year, 2026, please come closer. Poultry is not quick money. It is science, discipline, and planning. Before you buy your first chick, consider the following. Location matters. Far from residential areas, good road access, clean water source. Biosecurity is non-negotiable. Control entry, foot bath, and disinfection. Vaccination schedule from day one. Power and water are survival tools. No light is heat stress. No water, that's dead bulbs. Feed is over 60% of your cost. Plant feed supply early. Quality feed beats cheap feed. Management beats capital. Records matter. Supervision saves money. Experience reduces losses. Market before production. Know who will buy your product. Know the price cycle. Cash flow is king. In Nigeria, many poultry farms fail not because disease alone, but because they started without planning. Don't rush chicks. Build system. Don't chase profit. Manage risk. Well-planned poultry farms survive. Poorly planned ones disappear. Share this message. It can save someone's investment. I'm Stephen Afolabi. Thank you.